Okay, I'm going to edit the post and I'm just going to show you what I did is I have the post open and it's using the classic editor right now. The first thing that I'm going to do is come over here to the page settings and I'm going to set this to no sidebar, and that will get rid of the sidebar on the page and it will go full width. If you now use the Divi Builder, it will bring you into where you can add the Divi Builder. This is in the back end on the dashboard, so it may look a little different, and I think you may have got used to working on the front end. Go ahead and use the existing content, so we're just going to do this, and it should bring this up for you. Um, so you can look here. Now the page settings on Divi are changing a little bit and it says no sidebar, but you can actually do full width and that's what I want to do so that I can actually add that full width um, front part there. And I'm going to hide the post title and I'm going to also hide or turn off the nav that would actually have the title of this an unlikely beginning, kickball and baby doll, and I'll have to actually put in a header above the text so that that shows. But then I have this little blue, and I can do the new section from the library. I can add the old page header. I can drag that above the blue one. And then here I'm going to add a green row here, and I'm going to do a full width row, and I'm going to add that row into the with a text, and I'm going to pull in this text here and make it an H1 so that it sits on top of all the text. So I'm going to copy that and paste that right here. And then when I select it here, I'm going to change this right here to an H1 or a heading 1 so that that will sit on top of all of the text. And then I'm going to drag, well, I'm going to rename this so it makes it a little easier if you come down here and do these admin labels and you add what they are. So I'm just going to paste that in there. And then I'm going to drag that above the top here. I'm going to update it. And once I'm done, I'll be able to show you exactly, this is what you're going to have to do to all the posts to make them look the way you want them to. Um, the other thing I was noticing is that your publish sidebar here is all the way down here. You can drag any of these around by just dragging and dropping them. And I dragged mine to the top because I always like that update button right here at the top when I'm working. And so when this is done, we'll go look and view the posts in the front. And give me 1 second and we'll be able to look at it. And this is what you want it. You wanted these above the post, and then this is the actual um, this is the actual um, title that we put in there, and we made that the H1, and then this is the content that came out underneath it. And so that's a full width post, and you can actually style this any way you want, the same way you would style any other page. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, just ask me later and I'll try to make another video so that you can work with it.